This tutorial review will show you how to find a lost or stolen Android phone. If you lost your Android device, then you can easily find out the location of your Android device. So the first thing you have to do is open a browser. You can open browser from your computer or from your friend mobile phone. So open browser and type here google.com/android/find, and here make sure to log into the Gmail account, which Gmail account you used on your Android device. And then if your phone is connected to the internet, you will see the location of your Android phone. You can see the connected internet name. You can see your Android device battery percentage, and you can play a sound here, and you can secure your device from here. You can erase your device from here. So this is how you will be able to find a lost or stolen Android phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.